Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Arlington. First you need to open any of the web browser. Then in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down pay traffic ticket online in Arlington and enter it. And from the search result here, you need to select this top option, Arlington Municipal Online Payments.com here. And once inside this homepage, scroll a bit down and select this Arlington Municipal Court. So over here, what you need to do is you can simply search by the citation number or the driver's license or the vehicle information here. As I'm going to simply choose the citation number here and type down a citation number and select this search. And after that, you can complete the payment and you can save a confirmation. And that is it. That is how you can pay a traffic ticket online in Arlington. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.